Hello friends, welcome back. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the differentiation of a determinant function. So determinant function differentiation is a very important from the IDJ point of view. Several times IDJ has asked some question regarding this. Even some other engineering examination have also asked about the differentiation of a determinant. Then how to solve the differentiation of a determinant. So now we'll discuss how this is possible. Let a determinant delta x is equal to fx, gx, hx, px. It is a 2 by 2 determinant. First of all, we are taking about it's a 2 by 2 determinant. Then differentiation of this is nothing but first you have to differentiate the first row and second row will be as it is, plus first row will be as it is and second row will be differentiated. So what we have to do? We have to do first row differentiation. The first row of differentiation, second row will remain as it is, plus first row will remain as it is and second row has to be differentiated. So this will give you the differentiation of 2 by 2 determinant. Now we will discuss a 3 by 3 determinant. Delta x equals to, say for f1x, f2x, f3x, g1x, g2x, g3x, h1x, h2x, h3x. It's a 3 by 3 determinant. Then how to solve this kind of differentiation? So what we are going to do, we are differentiating. First of all, first row, all the elements of the first row, f1x, f2-x, f3-x, remaining two will remain same, g2x, g3x, h1x, h2x, h3x, plus differentiation of second row. First row will remain same, f2x, f3x, on g1-x, g2-x, g3-x, h1x, h2x, h3x, plus f1x, f2x, f3x, g1x, g2x, g3x, and differentiation of third row. Otherwise, first of all, you solve the determinant. Whatever the things are coming, you can differentiate accordingly. But in the determinant itself, if you want to differentiate, then this is the procedure to differentiate. First of all, you have to differentiate all the elements of the first row of the determinant. Remaining row elements will remain same. Plus, all the elements of second row has to be differentiated. First row and third row elements will remain same. Plus, in third case, first row elements and second row element will remain same, and third row element has to be differentiated. In the same way, if it is a 4 by 4, then you differentiate first row element plus second row element remaining same, third row element remaining same, fourth row element remaining same. So this is the procedure to differentiate the differentiation determinant. Now we are moving to solve some questions so that you can understand it properly. Fx equals to x square, x cube, 1, 2x, 3x square, 0 to 6x. Find fx. Find f dash x. F dash x is differentiation. Then how to solve this? So as per the formula, we are going to differentiate first row first, 1, 2x, 3x square. It is a 1, 2x, 3x square, 0 to 6 as it is. In the second case, we'll put x square, x cube as it is. This has to be differentiated and this will remain same. In third case, first row will remain same, second row will remain same, and third row has to be differentiated. Okay, 6. So now we have to solve this. You can see that these two rows are equal, so it will be 0. Here you can see these two rows are equal, so value of the determinant is 0, as you know. And third one has to be solved because it is not going to be 0. So it is 6. So with the help of 6 we can open it. You can see that 2x square minus x square. So it is going to be 6x square. So this is the way of differentiation of a determinant function. Now we are moving to next question. It is widely used. Fx equals to, it is x cube sin x cos x 6 minus 1 0 p square p cube. Find f triple dash x at x equals to 0. Triple dash means triple differentiation of fx will require. So in this case, we are differentiating this first. So first row we are taking 3x square, sin x is cos x, and this is minus of sin x, and this will remain same. And rest one you can see, second line differentiate, it will become 0 because all are constant, and third is also 0 because all are constant. Only this has to be differentiated once more. So f double dash x is, again, this is 6x, this is minus sin x minus cos x, 6 minus 1 0 p square p cube. Again, when it is differentiated, value of the determinant will be 0. When it is differentiated this row, all the elements will become 0. So value of the determinant will be equal to 0. So once again we are going to differentiate. So you can see it is 6, this is minus cos x, this is plus sin x, 6 minus 1 0 p square p cube. Again, remaining 2 will be 0. So we are getting this only, and we have to find out the value of f triple dash x at x equals to 0. So simply we are going to put the value of x 0 here. F triple dash 0. So it is 6 minus 1. It is 0. 6 minus 1 0 p square p cube. You can see that these two elements are, these two rows are same. So value of the determinant is equal to 0. So f triple dash 0 is equal to 0. It's a ITJ question. You can understand how things are associated. Once you know the differentiation of determinant, then only you can solve this kind of question. Now we are moving to next question. Let fx, gx, hx be a polynomial function of degree 2. Then prove that phi x, which is equal to fx, gx, hx, f dash x, g dash x, h dash x, and f double dash x, g double dash x, h double dash x is a constant function. Is a constant function. That you have to prove. Since we have to prove that it is a constant function, it means we have to show that differentiation of f dash x is phi dash x equals to 0. If we are able to show this, then we can say that effect of phi x is the difference, is the constant function. So now we are moving to solve this question. We are just differentiating this phi dash x. So you can see that this is f dash x, g dash x, h dash x. Remaining two will remain same. G dash x, S dash x, F double dash x, G double dash x, S double dash x. Similarly, first row will remain same. Second row has to be differentiated. G double dash x, S double dash x, F double dash x, G double dash x, S double dash x. Now third one, first row will remain same. Gx, F dash x, G dash x, H dash x, and this will be differentiated. F triple dash x, G triple dash x, H triple dash x. That we can say. So here these two rows are same, so value of the determinant is 0. Here these two rows are same, so value of the determinant is 0. Here what we can see, just see, if fx is a1x square plus b1x plus c1, we can see it's a degree 2. So f dash x will be equal to 2a1x plus b1. Then f double dash x will be equal to 2a1. Then f triple dash x will be equal to 0. It means all the elements are equal to 0. So value of the third determinant is also going to be 0. So we have proved that phi dash x equals to 0. So phi x is a constant function. This we have proved. So you can see how we are utilizing the concept of differentiation of determinant. So that's all in this video, and I would like to request you to please watch the whole video and ask your friends to refer and subscribe. Thank you.